am going to make a cold processed soap. And today's soap is going to be scented with Egyptian musk from Nature's Garden, which is a beautiful kind of earthy, musky scent. A lot of fragrances use it as a base, but I like it on its own. And I grew up with this fragrance. I used to buy perfume oils with this scent, and I absolutely love it. In here, I have my melted oils, and I also have some colloidal oatmeal and some white kaolin clay. I'm going to color this. The base is going to be white, so I'll use titanium dioxide. I have my copper sparkle mica from Brambleberry. I have mocha brown from Nurture Soap, and then I have Goldfinger from Mad Micas. I love all of these. It's a beautiful color palette, very golden, kind of regal, earthy. Love it. And I'll go ahead and get started by mixing up my melted oils and my additives, adding my milks, which is half goat and half coconut. And then I'll add my lye solution, which is Tessa Silk, aloe, sodium hydroxide, and sodium lactate. So I'll go ahead, and I finally opened up my brand new stick blender. I love Epica stick blenders. They're so powerful. The last one I had petered out on me, and I had to get a new one, and I've had it for a couple months, and I just haven't wanted to open it, but I opened it. I love it. So I'll go ahead and get started. This up to an emulsion, which is not quite a trace. I do that because I want to have some more time to mix my oils and to pour without it getting too thick. So I have not soaped with Egyptian musk before, but when I read the notes on the fragrance, it says it did not discolor and it did not accelerate trace.
Hello.
So, hey Sayla. So we'll see what happens. So I'll go ahead and split off into colors. And like I said, I am going to be doing a drop swirl. At least that is the goal here. To do a simple drop swirl with this fragrance. And just to let you guys know that this scent is very unisex. Men and women both love it, so it's like perfect if you're like one of those people who likes not so feminine fragrances. Yeah, you'll love this. So I'll go ahead and add my TD into here, and all it is titanium dioxide mixed with distilled water. And then I'll add my colors in these little containers. It's the copper sparkle, and here goes the mocha brown, and here goes the Goldfinger. So I'll go ahead and stir these up. Just to see if I like the color saturation. And I do so far. It's so pretty. It's such a pretty warm color palette. can't go wrong with brown, bronze, and gold if you ask me. So let's see. Ooh, it's hot. I'm sweating. Okay. So go ahead and give this a mix. It's definitely warm, which is making it, you know, a little bit thicker, the batter. But let me go ahead and, it's been a while since I've made soap actually, so I'm kind of like discombobulated, but I'll get it together. I will get it together, you guys. Okay, so I have all of my colors blended in, and I will now add the fragrance oil. Like I said, it's not supposed to discolor, it's not supposed to rise, it's not supposed to accelerate. So we'll see. All right, stir this in. Doesn't seem like it's doing anything bad. Seems like it's behaving. So that's good. I always love it when fragrance oils do what they're supposed to do. Okay, give this a hand stir. You have to stir it in really, really well because you want to make sure that it's really well incorporated into the soap. Sometimes if you don't take the time to really, really stir it in, then it can seep out on you when it's going through the saponification process. You want to make sure that that fragrance oil attaches onto the soap molecules so it doesn't separate or, you know, cause it to leak out. You know, I'm thinking, should I do it in the pot swirl now? Because that's kind of what I'm going, drop swirl in the pot swirl. I don't know. All right, well, let's go with the first one. I said I was going to do a drop swirl, so that's what we'll go with. We'll go with the drop swirl. I was going to do it in the pot, but we'll go with the drop swirl since that was my plan. We'll start by just putting in a layer of the cream. Then we'll go with the gold. Then we'll go with the brown. And then the copper. 100% rubbing alcohol. Hey guys, welcome back to the Butter Bean Shop. Megan here, and I am supposed to be cutting a soap. Actually, I am cutting a soap. I don't know why I just said that. Anyway, I will be cutting Egyptian musk. I made this soap a week ago, and I'm just now able to cut it. I have been so busy. I have had tons of making to do, labeling to do, packing. I've had festivals that I've been doing, so I haven't had time to cut this soap even though I've wanted to. So I'm cutting it today. I absolutely love this fragrance. It's an oldie but goodie, and I love the way that the top turned out. I love the colors together. Here's the top. Absolutely love this soap so far, and from my recollection, I think I did a drop swirl. Anyway, we'll find out together, won't we? And I apologize for the background noise. My daughter's in the other room watching YouTube on TV. So let's go ahead and get started by cutting. And I just absolutely love these colors. This copper color, sorry. This copper color is so pretty. You can see the sparkles and the gold. It's just gorgeous. So let me take that off. That's different soap. But anyway, it's gorgeous. And I love it. Oh, it's pretty. The colors are beautiful, and it kind of looks like marbly. It looks like a marble. I do remember that I didn't know if I was going to do a drop swirl or a in the pot swirl. I think either one would have worked with this, but I love the drop swirl. So pretty. So I'll go ahead and continue to cut this, and then I'll let the music play. If you like this soap, please go ahead and click the like button. If you want to see more, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell if you want to be notified of any content that I upload to the channel. Okay guys, take care.